Hi, I'm Dana.
I'm Lauren.
And I'm Kelly. I'm gonna talk. Okay. This channel is mostly about a couple of girls that are singing and dancing.
Once again, I hope we're girls.
Once again.
No, wait, I want to say something. We recorded this many times, and like the first time she's like, "Oh, we're girls," and I'm like, "Oh, I hope we're girls."
And then I said, "Oh, hey, I'm Lauren."
Yeah.
And her name's Diana, so it's really confusing.
Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna be singing and dancing, not old songs like "Ain't No
Mountain
Mountain
High enough, or Wake Me Up
Before You Go Go."
Yeah, we're gonna sing like Lady Gaga,
Karen Moss.
I think I peed my pants from last time.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm like almost. Oh my god.
That's not a song. Don't worry, honey. Okay, so the first video that we're gonna do
Is
they
We Are Who
it's
We Are.
really good fun. It's We Are Who We Are. Me and Diana. It's me and Diana. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, she just finished her mocha, so she's sad. Okay, second one is gonna be me and Kelly doing
Black and Yellow by
Black
Liz
and Yellow.
Woo!
And then the third one is gonna be like some really fun stuff you're gonna see.
Yeah, like
You have to
extra.
stay tuned. Subscribe, rate, like, comment. Oh
Wait,
yeah.
wait. Sorry that I don't pee my pants.